A career path is a sequence of roles or jobs that an individual takes on over their working life. It's not just about what job you do, but how it evolves and grows. On average, individuals change jobs 14 times throughout their career. That's a lot of paths to explore. Start by listing your interests and skills. What do you enjoy doing, and what are you good at? This will give you a clear picture of where your strengths lie. Think of your career path like the branches on a tree. Your interests and skills are the seeds, and they grow into different roles over time. Did you know that the number of jobs in STEM fields is expected to grow by 13% between 2019 and 2029, while non-STEM jobs are projected to grow by only 4%? The healthcare, technology, and business sectors are leading the charge in job growth. Let's take a look at how they stack up. Healthcare is expected to grow by 18%, technology by 17%, and business services by 15%. From entry-level roles at 21, to mid-career shifts around age 40, and finally senior positions in your late 50s. Each stage offers new opportunities. A self-assessment involves evaluating your skills, interests, values, and strengths. It's like a personal inventory for your career path. It typically takes around 30 hours to complete a thorough self-assessment. That's just 1 week of focused effort. While education is important, research shows that career success is more often determined by soft skills like communication and teamwork than hard skills like technical proficiency. In fact, 40% of career success is attributed to soft skills, while only 60% to hard skills. Top skills in high-demand jobs. Just like a navigator uses charts and coordinates to guide a ship, you can use career assessments and planning tools to plot your path. Q&A: How to stay relevant in your field. Timeline: Key milestones in your career journey. The job market is constantly evolving. Over the past decade, jobs in technology have grown by an average of 12%, while traditional manufacturing roles have declined by about 5%. This shift highlights the importance of staying updated with new technologies. The shift to remote work has significantly impacted career paths. While 40% of jobs can be performed remotely, only 30% are currently being done so. This gap represents a massive untapped potential for career mobility and flexibility. Understanding the different types of skills you need for your career is crucial. A balanced mix of technical, soft, and transferable skills can make you more marketable in any industry. According to recent reports, 50% of employers struggle to find candidates with the right skills. This skill gap is expected to widen, making it essential for you to continually learn and adapt. Did you know that the average person will have 4.5 different careers in their lifetime? This showcases how versatile and dynamic career paths can be. Whether you're a tech wizard or an artist, there's always room for growth and change. Soft skills are personal attributes that enhance an individual's interactions with others. Examples include communication, teamwork, and problem-solving.